तो नाज़रीन, पीटीआई ने जो है वो कॉल दे रखी थी, लेकिन यहाँ पे जो इमरान खलील हैं उन्होंने फिर ट्वीट करके लोगों से कहा कि वो लोग नहीं जा रहे, क्योंकि जो फ़ैसला आया अदालतों का उससे जो पीटीआई की यहाँ पे क़यादत है उन्होंने कहा कि ये नाइंसाफ़ी है कि अगर भारत हम पे हमला करता है तो हम उसके ख़िलाफ़ तो सबके साथ हैं, लेकिन अगर पाकिस्तान की अदालतें हम पे हमला करती हैं तो फिर हम ऐसी अदालतों को नहीं मानते कि जहाँ पर इंसानी शख्सी आज़ादी जो है वो कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो। बहरहाल यहाँ पे लोग आए हुए हैं, जो लोग आए हैं उनसे पूछेंगे, पाकिस्तान के झंडे लेके आए हुए हैं। दूसरी तरफ आप देख सकते हैं कि इंडिया का बहुत बड़ा झंडा जो है वो इस वक्त लहरा रहा है, लेकिन वहाँ पे कोई इंडियन मौजूद नहीं है और आज शायद वो आ भी नहीं सकते थे, क्योंकि जिस तरह उनके जहाज़ क्रिकेट मैच की तरह विकटों की तरह गिरते हैं, उसके बाद मुझे नहीं लगता कि उनके पास कोई जस्टिफिकेशन थी। वो मोदी से पूछ रहे होंगे, लेकिन अब लोगों से बात करेंगे तो फिर आपको बताएंगे कि लोगों के व्यूज़ क्या हैं। Hi ma'am, you are from here?
Yes, I'm from the UK, born and bred, but of Pakistani origin.
Okay.
So my ancestors were from Pakistan.
Okay. Also wearing the scarf and things from Palestine?
Yes,
okay.
I am.
All right. So you are here today to solidarity with Pakistan and Pakistan Army and the people who killed by Indians. So what
Yes,
you want
I
to say
am.
about that?
The reason I'm here today is that I, as somebody who supports Palestine, am aware that Kashmir has been occupied since 1947.
Yeah.
They have faced starvation, rape, mass arrest, checkpoints, and we stand with our Kashmiri brothers and sisters. And because of what happened last week, India is putting the blame on Pakistan without any proof. Pakistan has said several times that they are willing to do an inquiry or take an international inquiry, and Modi has said no. Why? Because Modi is following in the footsteps of Netanyahu. They want to annihilate Kashmir, annihilate Pakistan, and they're doing this. They've already attacked a mosque, residential areas, women and children have been killed. This is the playbook of the Zionists. So if you're standing up for Palestine, you need to be standing up for Kashmir and Pakistan. So Pakistan Zindabad, Kashmir Zindabad, Palestine Zindabad.
Okay, so as you see yesterday, last night when the India attacked on Pakistan, Pakistan responds very well and they gunned down their 5 jet, which is like India said 3, international media said 5, Pakistan said 6 to 7. So do you think this is enough lesson for India, or the way India intervene in Pakistan and kill innocent people, we should have to, we have a right as a UNO charter, we have still right to be response that. So do you think the Pakistan army and Pakistan government should have to respond on that?
Pakistan has a right to defend itself under international law. India has broken UN laws by attacking Pakistan's sovereignty. Now they have retaliated, Pakistan has retaliated by now dropping bombs on India. Now we don't know what's going to happen next, but whatever happens, Pakistan has a right to defend itself. And what this incident does, it has highlighted the occupation of Kashmir. It has shown what Modi and the BJP and the RSS are doing to Muslims in India. We've heard of bulldozer justice. We've heard of beef justice. We've heard of how our brothers and sisters, the hijabs are ripped off the sisters, people are murdered, people are beaten. So if anything comes out of this, India should be held accountable for not only the occupation of Kashmir and the treatment of the Kashmiri people, but it should be held responsible for the treatment of not only the 200 Muslims in India, but our Sikh brothers and sisters, our other minority brothers and sisters, our Dalit brothers and sisters who are mistreated by the caste system. It should be equality for all and freedom for all. Free all the oppressed people of this world.
Okay, my last question is this, like, as the India done this act, before that, the Indian Prime Minister Modi and the Rahul Gandhi, they have a rivalry, obviously political rival. They have a case against each other and all that. But right this moment, they get together, they sit together, and then they done this horrible act. In Pakistan, obviously Imran Khan is the most popular leader. He's still in jail. what do you think? If to be united the Pakistani nation, don't you think that Imran Khan should be released on this moment?
I 150% agree with you. India is working together. All their fractions are working as a team and a unit. And why does Pakistan fail? Because we have too much interfighting, too much ego, too much status, too much of this. Imran Khan is a beacon of hope for so many Pakistanis. It's time to free him. It is time for all the fractions in Pakistan to come together. We were created by Jinnah as a united nation. All the people of any religion, any caste, any background together as one. And we're not doing that. And that is why we are failing. And that is why India is attacking us. So we need to free Imran Khan and we need to work together. The Pakistanis in Pakistan and the diaspora. Doesn't matter what your political view is. This is about Pakistan.
Okay. As a Pakistani, I know that the Pakistani people, they are very loyal people. They stand behind their army. They stand behind their leader. If I say that Imran Khan, they love Imran Khan, there is a 70 to 80% support to Imran Khan, but what happened yesterday, the whole Pakistani nation stand behind our army. There some decisions came from Supreme Court today. The people are very angry. There was social media. There was trends going on because the military court and all these things. So I think we have to stop this now and have to be united. Indian, whatever they're doing, and they think they are powerful. They got money. They got more army and all that. But we have to be together and we have to be strong to face the enemy like India.
Yes, I totally agree. I have to admit, I am not a fan of Shahbaz Sharif or the current government. I am not a fan of the way that the Pakistani army has behaved up to this point. But we need to put that aside. What is more important is our nation. So irregardless of what my viewpoints have been up till now I will stand behind whatever the Pakistani
I'm 100% agree with you.
Exactly, and the army will do. Because their first priority is us, the Pakistanis, and we must support them. Like I said earlier, this is not a time for self-criticizing. This is not a time for fractures. This is a time for unity. We unified once before to get the British out. We need to unify now to get India out of Pakistan and out of Kashmir.
So it's mean you and me, we both have to give that message. The Pakistan come first.
Yes.
In any matter, the Pakistan come first.
Yes. It doesn't matter what our political opinions are. I will stand shoulder to shoulder with somebody from the opposition as long as we face our enemies together. And that is what we are taught as Muslims. In our ummah, we are taught that we are all one. We are one ummah. So we have to unite Islamically. And also as Pakistanis, we have to unite. We have to leave the pettiness behind and focus on the future. And the future is protecting our sovereignty at any cost.
Thank you very much. Lastly, may I know your name?
It's, my social media name is Annie.says.
Okay.
My name is Anika.
Okay, Anita. Very nice talking to you. Thank you very much for talking with Hitlist TV. Thank you.
Thank you so